Hi property viewers and welcome back to another property tour. Currently we are in Afabay, Taguig City. So this is just few minutes away from McKinley Hills to BGC to the Manila Airport via E-Service Road or via Loton to Makati Business District, and also this has an easy access going to C5 if you want to go up north or down south via SLEX. So sitting behind me is a 3-story duplex house. So as you can see, it's very slick. It has a contemporary architectural design with a composition of wood and concrete elements using neutral colors, giving you a charming Japandi vibe here. Now let's start our tour. So before entering the house, we have two gates, the pedestrian gate and also the remote control mechanical gate. So dito na tayo pumasok. Oops. These parking slots here. So this can accommodate at least 3 to 4 cars. And on this side, bago tayo pumasok, dito muna tayo sa side na to. So, napaka-presko yung lugar natin dito kasi open space yung likod ng house. Hindi lang to napaandar today because it's under repair. This is a water feature. This is actually one of my favorites dito sa bahay kasi feeling ko, for me if you have this water feature dito sa bahay, it gives you parang you are near to nature. Right? Kung ikaw nakatira dito, of course, you're one of the busiest person for sure. So this is a perfect feature pag narinig mo yung waterfall dito from the water feature. So nakakapagpagaan siya ng pakiramdam. So that's one of my favorites. Then as we go straight here, merong path dito with a landscape garden. This will lead you to the basement. This is the service area or utility area, but later I'll show you. We have two access. So from the outside going to the basement, dito kayo dadaan. And then second access is inside the house naman. So let's go. Upon entering the main property, you have this artificial grass here. And then if nakita nyo, napapalibutan tayo ng mga plants. Kaya napakaganda nung house. It really gives you this kind of charm. So hi guys, nauna pa kayo sa akin. So this is an automated main door. Then upon entering, you have windows here which is facing the street. It's an open layout house. So dito banda, this will be your living area or your entertainment area or your welcoming area coming from the main door. As we move forward on this side, as you can see, this is the main staircase going to the second floor. Then across the main staircase, ito naman yung water feature na isa sa mga favorites ko dito sa house. And then you have this sliding door glass here na pwedeng mag-access if you want to go outside. Then, I believe this could be your dining area here, facing dito sa water feature. So, moving forward, across your dining area, this is your open island type of kitchen. So, you have this island counter here na pwedeng gawing breakfast nook. Then, on this counter, you have some drawers here and cabinets. Then, across this island counter, ito yung countertop natin. So, you already have your sink, meron ding stove, and you have an oven. So, comes with a range hood. May shelves na din tayo dito and some plants for accent. Then, you have ample lower cabinets here. You have owning windows para if i-open mo, if you want fresh air, so papasok yung air. Lalo na yung nakita nyo kanina since open area yung sa likod, kaya mahangin talaga sa labas. Then you have overhead cabinets dito. And this one, if you're curious, this is your refrigerator provision. Then on this ground floor, what I love about the house, meron tayong bedroom located sa ground floor. So if you're not comfortable locating your bedroom upstairs, so this is the perfect house kasi meron tayong bedroom dito sa ground floor. So this is bedroom number 1. Meron tayong owning windows and you have ample windows on this side. Then don't worry because you have clothing storage naman dito. Then of course we have a bathroom. The bathroom, we have a dual access. This is a common bathroom. So if you're coming from the outside, meron tayong access. Then if you're coming from this bedroom, we also have an access. So this is the bathroom and I really love yung patterned tiles nung bathroom tiles natin dito. So you have your sink, you have your water closet, and your shower area. Then one of the highlights dito sa house, it comes with a home elevator. Yes, meron tayong home elevator from the ground floor going to the third floor. But before we go upstairs, ito yung sinasabi kong kaninang another access going to the basement or the utility or service area. So I would like to show you kung ano ba yung itsura ng basement natin. Pagbaba nyo, you have this door. And actually, your service area has these two rooms. Ito yung isa, pwedeng maid's quarter, and then pwede din driver's quarter yung second room. And then they have their own bathroom dito sa side. So they have their own mini kitchen here. May sink na sila, and then maybe dito na lang ilalagay yung sariling stove nila or other kitchen stuff. So dito, and your siguro dining area nila. Then outside, this is the utility area. Meron din tayong sink dito on this side. This is going to the ground floor dun sa water feature. So we're done with the utility area or service area. Now let's head to the second floor. And I really love this color, yung accent na to. Kasi nga, yung house, again, they use neutral colors para mas madali yung bagayan sa mga furniture na bibilhin nyo soon. And yun nga, it really gives you a charming Japandi vibes pag nandito kayo sa house. So upon arriving dito sa second floor, this could be your entertainment area or your family area or pwede ding formal dining area. But ayoko i-recommend yung formal dining area kasi yung kitchen natin nasa baba. So medyo challenging or hassle sa mga staff natin if they will prepare yung food dito every day. Pero siguro pag may celebration or may special occasion, pwede naman dito. So on the second floor, we also have this sliding door glass here, giving you an access going to your alfresco area. Again, this is one of my favorites. This is facing the landscape park here. So, pwede tayong maglagay dito ng outdoor picnic area tables and chairs or depende kung ano yung gusto nyong plan na gawin dito. Pwede din playground pero since medyo until below the hips yung wall natin dito, so not recommended for kids. So, better na gawin na lang natin picnic outdoor area yung ito. Kasi perfect siya. Then, facing dito sa landscape park. And super quiet, no? Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, kaya super mahangin dito kasi nga open area yung sa likod ng house. Then we have this common bathroom. Actually, it's a powder room. We have this toilet and your sink here. Then, if you'll be using yung elevator from the ground floor, paglabas nyo ng second floor, dito siya sa may alfresco area. Yung common area pala natin, comes with an air conditioner. So, when you purchase a property, what you see is what you get. So, semi-furnished na siya. And then, ang maganda sa area na to, na gusto ko gawing living area if ako yung titira, is grabe, napaka-high ceiling. Kaya grabe yung pasok ng natural light dito sa second floor. In addition, you have this fluted panel here na nag-a-add siya ng accent dito sa house natin. If nakikita niyo, sobrang laki ng bedroom, but this is not the master bedroom. This is the junior master bedroom pa lang. So this is facing the street. You have these wood tiles, then you have this balcony facing doon sa main street. So the junior master bedroom has this closet here. So marami kang clothing storage dito. And you have this ensuite bathroom. You have this sink, you have this mirror here, you have your water closet, and your shower area. So that's the junior master bedroom. So now let's head to the third floor. Pero siguro ngayon naman, since nag-stairs tayo from the ground floor going to the second floor, let's try naman the elevator from second to the third floor. Hi! It's really convenient na may home elevator sa house, lalo na pag if you're uncomfortable using the main staircase. So at least you have an option B, which is the home elevator. And then the capacity of this elevator is at least 4 persons. Pero pag siguro mga kasing slim ko, mga 6. So On this floor, we have two bedrooms, the master bedroom and the smaller bedroom. So let's head first to the smaller bedroom. This is bedroom number 3. So if ever you can turn this into an office or siguro a study room, if extra room na lang ito. Then this is facing the landscape park dito sa likod. Then you have ample windows naman dito sa bedroom. Then this room comes with your own bathroom here. So you have your sink, your water closet, and you have your shower area. So again, if you'll be residing here tapos extra bedroom na lang to, maganda to gawing study area or an office room. Then in case you have a closet naman dito, if you really want to turn this into the original purpose, which is the bedroom area. Then on this side, we have this glass here facing doon sa second floor naman. So makikita mo talaga na napakataas ng ceiling natin. Now the finale, from this bedroom, passing through the hallway, ito na yung master bedroom natin. So you have these wood tiles here, then surrounded by windows na almost floor to ceiling yung height. Then these windows here, this is facing the main street, doon sa harap ng bahay. So ang difference ng junior master bedroom and the master bedroom talaga, the junior has a balcony, while ito wala, pero this is bigger than the junior. So these masters comes with a walk-in closet. So mas wide yung closet niya, mas maraming clothing storage versus doon sa junior master bedroom natin. So you have this clothing storage here. Merong drawers dito sa master bedroom. You have these shelves or your cubbyholes here. And then this is your ensuite bathroom with a his and her sink and a mirror. And it's giving you a sleek and manly na mood dito sa bathroom because of the grayish tiles na ginamit nila dito. So you have your water closet here and also your shower area. So again, this is one of our few listings dito sa Acobite, Taguig City. If you want to know more details and for viewings, just contact us through our contact details provided sa description box below. And again, this is one of the houses that gives you a charming Japandi vibe. And maganda talaga yung location niya. It's flood-free, security is really good, and also the convenience ng location. So again, this is your host, Daryl Torrem, and see you on our next property tour.